Flash. Find Chadwick. Find the Chadwick. Good boy, Flash. Getting wood. Not the first time I've done that. I just realized something that I also got screwed. All right, I have the shit. Here's the damage for the materials for the bed. The 2x4s were $4.99 a piece. We got 7 of them. The 8-foot sanded plywood was $34.93. We got some screws. I got a pair of gloves. Anyways, this is blowing all over the place. 151 bucks, give or take.
Got some high quality content going on.
Old bed is out. New bed being configured. So to make the bed frame, we're putting the cuts in the 2x4s so that they will fit together nicely, be a little bit stronger, and not take up as much room. For example, we're doing lap joints. Basically fitting like that. Here you can see the lap joints, how they have come together to make the sides of the bed frame. And the bed frame where the mattress will lay on, the lap joints are also good to go. Did get a little crazy with the mallet here, but a fix is already in the works. Running out of daylight. Got the frame in. You can see how it is going to be for height. Going to be plenty of room for storage underneath. Still have ample height, even with a 5, 6, 8-inch memory foam mattress. The bed frame has been installed. We ripped up a big piece of plywood, 1/2-inch plywood, put these slats in so that when the short queen mattress does get put down, it will be able to breathe. Plenty of room underneath for whatever I want to bring. I think this will conclude the bed frame video. I imagine dozens of you will watch it. Oh, I wanted to put in there too the gussets that were installed here on the 4 corners. Prevent this thing from moving around that much from side to side, and offered substantial stability.